Today I'm making violet sugar, a fun topping for fancy desserts. Of course, you will need some violets. They are quite hard to find at first, but after a while your eye will be trained to find them hiding among the primroses. I collected about half a cup of violets. You'll also need some sugar, a mortar and pestle, and, later on, a large plate. The biggest job is cleaning the violets, that is removing any green bits and collecting only the petals. I found pinching the green parts with one hand and picking up the petals with the other works best. This is repetitive work, so maybe put on your favorite audiobook. Now combine sugar and violets in the mortar and grind them down until the color of the petals spreads evenly throughout the sugar. When you're happy with the result, spread your violet sugar on a large plate to dry. This will take, depending on the weather, a few hours to a day. If you're wondering, yes, the sugar does smell of violets. It's heavenly. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might think about subscribing.